The history. The name Iloilo is derived from the older name Ilong-Ilong, Philippine Spanish Ilong-Ilong, meaning nose like, referring to the promontory between two rivers, Iloilo and Batiano, where the Fort San Pedro and the 17th century Spanish port were located. Little is known historically about the region prior to the arrival of Spanish in Historia Natural del Sitio, Fertilidad, Calidad de las Islas y Indios de Visayas. The Jesuit missionary Francisco Ignacio Alcina identifies the origin of Hiligaynon, people of Baton, Panay as the island of Leyte, which correlates with the linguistic subgrouping of the Hiligaynon language. The significant people. Martin Teofilo Delgado Bermejo, November 11, 1858 to November 12, 1918, was a Filipino military leader during the Philippine Revolution and the Philippine-American War, and was the first civilian governor of Iloilo Province during the American occupation of the Philippines, first appointed by the Americans and then winning election in his own right. On 28th of October 1898, Delgado marched into the Santa Barbara and took control of the municipal building. On that same day, simultaneously, uprising took place in towns across Iloilo. On November 17, 1898, Delgado was promoted to Lieutenant General. On 24 December 1898, the Spanish forces under the command of General Diego de los Rios evacuated Iloilo. The geography. Iloilo City is located in the southern shores of Panay Island. The city faces Iloilo Strait and Guimaras Island, and may across it, making it natural harbor and safe anchorage for ships. It is bordered by the towns of Oton in the west, Pabia in the north, and Liganes in the northeast. Just across the Iloilo Strait in its eastern and southern coastline are the towns of Buenavista and Hordan in the island province of Guimaras. The culture. The Ilonggo's cultural identity is deeply rooted and influenced by the Hispanic culture. Iloilo is known as festival capital of the Philippines, with various renowned festivals in the country celebrated in the city, showcasing the city's rich cultural and historical past. Iloilo is highlighted with various festivals, in which Big Three is Dinagyang Festival, held every fourth Sunday of January in honor of the Holy Child Jesus, Santo Niño de Jesus, and venerated image of Santo Niño de Cebu. The city has a number of museums ranging from fields of ancient and contemporary art, cultural and economic history of science. Museum and art galleries are the repositories of Iloilo rich and glorious history and culture. Various notable Philippine artists trace their roots from Iloilo. Unearthed artifacts like potteries, porcelain, gold, and plates had been excavated in many parts of Iloilo predating Spanish era are now showcased in various museums in Iloilo.